आज हम देखने वाले मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑन माइक्रो प्रोसेसर। इसमें हम 30 MCQs देखने वाले। Which interrupt has the highest priority? And the correct answer is trap. Which of the following is hardware interrupt? And the correct answer is both A and B. What are level triggering interrupts? And the correct answer is B. Which interrupt is not level sensitive in 8085 microprocessor? And the correct answer is B. RST 7.5 is a raising edge triggering interrupt. What are software interrupts? And the correct answer is A. What is SIM? And the correct answer is SIM. And the correct answer is set interrupt mask. RIM is used to check weather. And the correct answer is B. The interrupt is masked or not. What is meant by maskable interrupts? And the correct answer is D. An interrupt that can be tuned off by the programmer. While CPU is executing a program, an interrupt exists, then it. And the correct answer is C. Breaks the normal sequence of execution of instruction. An interrupt breaks the execution of instructions and diverts its execution too. And the correct answer is A. Interrupt service routine. Whenever a number of devices interrupt a CPU at a time, and if the processor is able to handle them properly, it is said to have. And the correct answer is C. Multiple interrupt processing ability. The programmable interrupt controller is required to. And the correct answer is B. Handle one or more interrupt requests at a time. The semiconductor memories are organized as dash dimensions of array of memory location. And the correct answer is B. Two-dimensional. If the microprocessor has 10 address lines, then the number of memory location it is. And the correct answer is 1024. If the microprocessor has 8 address lines, then the number of memory locations it is able to address is. And the correct answer is D. None. If the memory has 4K into 4 capacity, then the number of data line present on this is. And the correct answer is A. 4. Number of machine cycle present in 8085 microprocessor. And the correct answer is D. 7. Machine cycle required for move A, B instruction. And the correct answer is A. Opcode fetch. Machine cycle required for add M instruction. And the correct answer is B. Opcode fetch and memory read. Machine cycle required for LHLD address instruction. And the correct answer is B. Opcode fetch, memory read, memory read, memory read, memory read. Machine cycle required for SHLD address instruction. And the correct answer is C. Opcode fetch, memory read, write. T state defined as. and the correct answer is A. Each clock cycle. Instruction cycle is, and the correct answer is A. Fetch cycle plus execute cycle. Number of T-state in memory read machine cycles, and the correct answer is C. 3. Number of T-state in memory write machine cycle, and the correct answer is C. 3. Number of T-state in opcode fetch machine cycle, and the correct answer is D. 4 or 6. Number of T-state in I/O read machine cycle, and the correct answer is C. 3. Number of T-state in I/O write machine cycle, and the correct answer is C. 3. In the opcode fetch machine cycle, status of IOM pin is, correct answer is A. 0. In the opcode fetch machine cycle, status of S1 S0 is, and the correct answer is D. 11.